How to fix error 0xc0000141 application was unable to start correctly in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If the app that's causing the error comes from Microsoft Store, you should run the troubleshooter as follows. Wait till the process is finished and apply the fixes. You can also try running the Windows Update troubleshooter. Some applications may require elevated permissions to run properly. Running them as an administrator can bypass certain restrictions that cause errors. If the program is outdated and not suited for your present Windows version, using compatibility mode might help. Right-click on the application shortcut or executable file. Go to Properties and select the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and choose an older version of Windows from the drop-down menu. Click Apply and OK, then launch the application. Outdated or incompatible drivers, especially for graphics and system components, can cause application errors. Ensuring your drivers are up to date can fix these conflicts. Expand the relevant categories, example display adapters, network adapters. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If that didn't work, if the error persists, then reinstalling the application may be your best solution. This process could replace any corrupted files and reset the app to its default state.